Welcome to another video from Darren Hickey, Hornby GWR. This time we are looking at another set. It's called the Servicing Tools set from Hornby. Just bring it up, you can see what it says there and the different types of tools you can get in this. So I can't remember the product number. You have to be 14 plus to use this, and all different kind of language. So further ado, I'm going to get it out the box and open it. I'm using a pair of scissors to just pierce the plastic. Advise younger viewers not to do something like that, and please take care. If whatever the age is, we don't want anybody to end up hurting themselves or doing something quite silly. So further ado, just open the box. For now, we'll see what we've got. It's really good package with foam, everything. We've got another one of these tweezers pliers, very good. So just put those back into the box. We've got a pair of tweezers, so very good and lovely. And then this type of tool, I really don't know, unless if you guys know, please leave the comments below. And then the oiling pen. I've already got one of these ready being used, so I will use this when it gets low. And if you're going to oil the locomotives, it's better to just use a little drop. And then finally, like a screwdriver, pen, whatever. So inside, yep, screwdriver heads. As you can see, really lovely. And there's one just wanted not to come out. Really lovely, and it's so easy for them to just slot back in. Everything. So I just screwed that back in, not too tight. And this has also got a torch, so that's really lovely. Never had something like that. And then finally, extra bits and bobs like tools, heads. So yeah, so all I can say is a huge thank you to everyone. Please leave your comments below. Please leave your comments there and subscribe, and please hit the notification bells. Yes, it's 10 years since I've been on YouTube. I will leave the product number behind. I got this in the Black Friday sales. Really good price, around £15. Really good, from Hornby. So I'm really proud of it. So, and if we do get to a certain amount of subscribers, watch hours, 40,000 watch hours, and 1,000 subscribers, you guys can have a chance to access early videos before it gets released to my channel. Means as a member, so basically you pay for a membership, and then basically what that money can do is help to increase the flow. What you could get like a mug, so that money could go towards making mugs with pictures of my locomotives, or a t-shirt with a picture of my locomotive if you want. It could be a steam engine, a diesel engine, or the Virgin Pendolino, or a picture of one of the scenes of my layout. So it's up to you lot what you want to do, and then from there I can take it a little bit more further if you want to do stuff like that. So it's up to you lot, and I'm bringing this to a suggestion if we get that far. So I'm saying a huge thank you for keeping your patience. I try best I can to get more videos online when I can. So thank you very much. Right, guys, before you watch another video of Darren Hickey Hornby GWR, there's 3 steps you need to do. Step 1 is hitting the subscribe button. As you've done that, step 2, hit that alarm bell there. Step 3, hit the like button, and you'll get notification on when the next video is due for my next videos.